Let me quickly teach you another application by OpenAI. This app is actually one of the best out there. The function of this one is quite simple. What you just need to do is to type anything you want and it's going to generate a very lovely picture for you. So if you are somebody that is thinking about how to write a book, this is the app you need. It's called DALL. So how do you get this? To get this, you need to visit openai.com. So when you visit openai.com, you come down, then you will see DALL. Then after seeing this is exactly DALL. It will ask you to sign up with your Gmail account. Then after signing up with your Gmail account, then you get over here. So let me ask. So I'm going to ask DALL to create a boy going to school illustration. Okay, this is what is actually generated for me for this. I've searched this before. So the moment that I search this is going to generate illustration for me. So you will only need to understand prompts. What are prompts? Prompts are like they're just like write up. You understand those write up, let me use the word keywords. So if you understand those keywords, it's going to help you in generating anything you need. So understanding keyword is actually what you need right now. Let me see whether I can bring out another thing. Let me ask. Okay, it's still loading. Okay, we have 4 pictures, so you can easily use this and more. Let me paste this. A black young teacher thinking in the classroom. Okay, full stop. Realistic painting and elements. So let's see what is going to come out of this. So if you are trying to actually write a book and you need a lot of illustration around it, this is the first step. Note, this is just like one out of so many applications out there you can use to generate pictures, different types of pictures for anything you want to do. So this is a start. I'm sure by the time you watch more of my video, you're going to see more. But for now, this is not bad at all. Everything is actually free. And what you just need to do is to click on download over here. Then you download them. So this is nice. And kudos to OpenAI. There are still so many words you can search. There are still so many words you can still search that will enable them to bring a lot for you. And with this, I'm searching this time a young teacher. Let me look for another word, another thing to search. Okay. Black teacher going through professional development. Okay, realistic painting, elements. Okay. The elements actually means different, what's it called? Different activity going on around the back. Elements can be line, shapes, and more. Form, texture, value, a lot of more. The painting is the pigment, whether it is going to be smooth on the face, and the realistic simply means it's going to be real. So I mix different things. So far they are providing 4 pictures for me. So I'm going to think about different words so that they will have, by the time they bring all the 4 pictures, then I will have the one exactly I need at the end of the day. So this is one of the wonder of OpenAI, and I would like you to go and explore this, as I will be creating more videos on how to use DALL. A lot of ways to use it. This is just a start. Definitely in the next few days I'm going to see more videos on how to use this, and endless possibilities through the use of this for any activity you want in the school environment. So check out my results. These are the results. these are the results. Illustration, illustration, and I am fine. So thank you very much. Explore the video, and we'll be back with more soon. Thank you.